in any event. As a matter of fact, to be honest, if you do care, next to nothing. On the other hand, to sum up, sincerely speaking, to be frank, in this connection, for a while, no more buts. Come what may. Someday or other, that would be nice. Go to the devil. Take care of you. That's out of question. Let's run away. So far as I know. Don't be disappointed. That will be great. By stroke of the pen. Hold your horses. Summer friends. Break a leg. By the end of the day, I'm broke. At best. Like the back of hand. Rhyme and reason. Once in a blue moon. Get the ball rolling. Don't be so fussy. Wait a second. Behave politely. No one knows yet. Think before you speak. Don't joke like that. I'm at a loss. It's very hard to believe. Be wide in your limits. What's going on here? Nothing else. That would be nice. Let's go for tea. That's out of question. Let's sit somewhere. Calm down. How so? So far so good. But who cares? See you soon. What a surprise. How terrible. What an idea. How dare. For the time being, it's no big deal. I'm at a loss. Don't fall behind. Keep your voice down. Don't lose your head. You have to comply. Don't take it to heart. The rest is up to you. I can't hang fire. I am really into. Hang on a minute. Don't stress over it. Give it a go. Enough is enough. Please move aside. A trying time. A stone's throw. Burning question. Below the belt. Carry the day. Cats and dogs. Dog days. Daydream. Face to face. Step by step. At every step. Ups and downs. It is you, I see. So be it then. Excuse me. Pay attention. Go to the devil. Yes, go on. I'm off. What a disaster. Nothing serious. Please have a seat. See you again. Swindler. Dissolute. Impudent. Thick-skinned. Thick-head. Small talker. Trickster. Young devil. Barefaced.